In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to your workspace in ClickUp, enhancing your productivity and collaboration efforts. Let's dive in and break this process down step by step, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate new team members into your workspace. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and go to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your personal ClickUp account with your username and password. It's important to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to manage workspace settings before proceeding. If you aren't an admin or don't have the relevant permissions, you might need to request access from someone who does. Once you're logged in, the next key step is to navigate to the button labeled Invite. This might typically be found on your main dashboard or within the workspace settings, depending on your specific ClickUp setup. The Invite button is your gateway to expanding your workspace with valuable new contributors. Now, when you click on Invite, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to add. It's crucial to make sure you type the email address correctly, as any mistake here can lead to failed invitations or incorrect access being granted. Bear in mind that you can invite multiple people at once by separating their email addresses with a comma or semicolon, depending on the interface you're given. So if you're adding a whole new team, you can do it with ease in one go. With the email addresses in place, you're almost there. What you want to do now is click on Send Invite. By clicking this button, you're initiating the process where ClickUp sends an invitation directly to the email addresses you entered. These emails will typically include a link for recipients to join your workspace. Once they receive it, they can follow the guidance provided in the email to complete the setup on their end and start collaborating effectively with your team. Just a quick tip for you here. If the new users encounter any issues while accepting the invite, ensure they are checking their spam or junk mail folders, as sometimes invites can mistakenly end up there. It happens more often than you'd expect, so always worth advising them to double check. And there you have it, your ClickUp workspace is now enhanced with new collaborators, ready to take on projects together seamlessly. Whether you're bringing aboard one person or 10, this straightforward process remains efficient and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your team collaboration in ClickUp as smooth and productive as possible. Remember, you're not just adding people, you're paving the way for enhanced teamwork and achieving goals more effectively. Until next time, keep enhancing your productivity.